right, how about one for the Mustang fans? It's 1994 Ford Mustang Cobra Indy Pace Car Convertible here at Unique, especially in classics. Of course, a convertible in Rio Red in 1994 was made for the Indy Pace Car run. So real deal Indy Pace Car, and listen to this. Only 799 actual miles on this, 2-owner car. Take a look at that front fascia. Not full of nicks, dings, scratches. Extremely nice shape. What you'd expect with that low of miles. Rio Red paint. Practically looks wet, of course, in the video and the pictures, because it is in nice shape. Now, as far as those pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. You'll be able to check out over 100 pictures of this car online. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on the correct Cobra wheels. Radial tires, and those are dated 2021, so they have been replaced due to age. Let's go ahead and take a look down the passenger side of this car. You can see the Indy Pace Car decals have been installed. Panels are nice and straight, free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Interior saddle, leather, bucket seats. Of course, with the Indy embroidering on the backrest. Center console. 5-speed, paired up with that 5-liter V8 Cobra engine. Of course, nicely equipped. Power steering, power brakes, AC. AC blows cold. So we take a look from the rear to the front down that passenger side. Again, panels nice and straight, free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Dual exhaust. Once again, paint still looking great in the rear of the car. Practically like it's wet. All right, some of the accessories that are going to go along with this. Yes, we have the convertible top cover. I don't think it's ever been put on the car. We just had it laid off to the side, so you take a look at it. Of course, the cargo area net. Floor mats don't look like they've been out of the wrapper. And the build sheet, broadcast sheet, as you'll hear it called different things. It's under the spare tire in the rear, still along with the car. And there is a car show placard that we can send along to the next owner. Once again, all those still pics that you can take a look at, undersides, interior, engine bay, trunk, top up, top down. I will show you the top functioning here in just a little bit too, but uniqueclassiccars.com is where you can check all those pics out. Let's take a look down this driver's side. If you like these specialty Mustangs, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. The videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase, and that can be done online or right off our showroom floor, of course. And you can see up and down this driver's side what you'd expect with a car with approximately 800 miles on it. Rear leather seats in nice shape also. Of course, it'll have the saddle matching the interior as far as the vinyl top, convertible top. Then your modern amenities, power locks, power windows, power mirrors, power seat over here in the driver's side. Speaking of which, doesn't hardly look like it's been sat in. Bolsters look good. Of course, tilt column cruise control. AM, FM, cassette, CD, kind of those crossover years between cassette and CD player. We need to fire this up so you can hear it run. There's your exact miles, 799. It'll get moved around the showroom a little bit and driven, so basically figure approximately 800. All right, all the gauges are working. That temp gauge I'd expect to be on cold. That was a cold start. Top of the dash, looking good. Clock works now. I did have the radio power up. I did not get volume, just so you're aware of that. Radio did power up, no volume. There is the SVT placard down below stating that this is number 912 of 1,000 made. And a cool deal. Once again, 5-speed manual. Slip around to the back seat and hear this run. I haven't really noticed any major modifications or anything like that underneath the hood or exhaust. Sounds good. Nice deep throaty exhaust note. Let's go ahead and get this engine bay opened up here so we can take a look at that. Pop the hood. It's going to take me 2 hands to get this hood open with the prop rod up. So I will show you the engine bay. Then we're going to take a look at that convertible top, how it functions. And if you stick around to the very end, Jason's going to take this car for a drive. So let's check out this engine bay. There's a good look at the underside of the hood. Hood liner. Doesn't look like this has been driven in inclement weather. There it is. 5-liter Cobra. Look at how clean this engine bay is. Wow. Again, what you'd expect with this kind of miles on it. Running smooth. Newer battery, just from the fall of 25 here. Once again, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. And in with those still pictures, you'll see plenty of pics of the engine bay also. All right, let me get the tripod set up. We're going to check out this convertible top. Just like that, convertible top up, functions as it should. Got her latch down up front here so you can see. Nice tight fit above the windshield. Again, saddle, vinyl. Side glass rolled up, nice fit. Convertible top looks like new. I'm sure it's been down more than it's been up. It's not discolored. No rips, tears, holes. It does have the glass rear window, electric, rear defog. Round to the passenger side. No surprises over here either. Glass fits nicely. No rips, tears, or holes. Nice tight fit. Nice fabric. And that appears to be the original one. All right. I will show you that going back down. We'll have Jason take it for a drive. It's a 1994 Ford Mustang Cobra, the official pace car of the 78th Indianapolis 500. Number to call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1994 Ford Mustang. The official Ford Mustang. the pace car edition of the Indianapolis 500. 5-speed manual between the seats here. For the most fun, we got white face gauges. Acceleration is good. The seats are very comfortable. We got leather seating embroidered with the Indianapolis logo. Down below, an SVT emblem indicating this is 912 of 1,000. I'm looking for flaws in this car. It is really, really nice all the way around. This is a convertible and we have the top up today. There's a roll bar behind my head. What can I say? It is a very nice, very special car. The battery is reading over halfway on the gauge, oil pressure as well. The temperature a little under half, and the fuel gauge reads 3/4 of a tank. This car handles well, corners well, brakes are nice and smooth. Check out all the pictures of this Mustang at uniqueclassiccars.com.